Human life typically spans around 70 to 80 years, but let's dive into the fascinating world of longevity across different species. The bowhead whale holds the crown among mammals, living over 200 years. In the avian world, the albatross can soar for up to 60 years, while certain species of fish, like the Greenland shark, can live for over 400 years. Imagine that! Insects, surprisingly, have their own champions. The queen termite can live up to 30 years. Reptiles, like the tortoise, can also boast impressive lifespans, with some living over 150 years. And then there's the butterfly, which, depending on the species, can live anywhere from a few weeks to several months. So, while we humans strive for a rich life in our limited years, nature showcases an incredible variety of lifespans, reminding us that life's value isn't just in its length, but in the experiences we gather along the way.